we heard we were going whitewater rafting, I think we were both super pumped.
Can't wait! Everybody can go grab a paddle there. Let's go rafting.
It's not in like some crazy mountain, and yet it still has crazy adventurous rapids that we were going down. I think it was a huge adrenaline rush for both of us.
My face has never hurt so much because I've been laughing and smiling so much.
There was one big drop where I like went all the way underwater, and that was a little bit scary, but it was great too.
So it's like this balance between adrenaline and relaxation, which I've never experienced in a rapid before. Incredible, yeah. That was the best rapid I think I've ever been on. It was crazy and pretty.